The summer robotics camp would start June the 9th through the 17th from 7:30 a.m. We would have breakfast at 7:30 to 8, and robotics camp would start from 8 to 2 p.m. And we will hold it here at the high school, Stafford High School, in the College and Career Center in the Flex area. Our first robotics camp was in the summer of 2016. We had about 150 students. It was amazing. Each year since then, we've had anywhere between 100 to 120 students. Every year, I have parents who are calling me in December. Miss Roberts, can I sign my kid up for robotics camp? Are we having robotics camp this year? Yes, we are. We'll be ready in about March. And so I have been getting lots of emails and lots of phone calls from the parents. It's a wonderful opportunity for the students because it's from grades 1st grade through 8th grade. The students learn everything there is about robotics. They learn how to program the robotics. They have to build the robotics. They work together in groups. They learn public speaking. They learn team building. They do all of that. And so it's just an opportunity for the kids to really learn about the STEM field. And they work together so well. And let me tell you, the kids have to solve their own problems. Their coaches are there to assist them, but they have to go through the process to figure out why their robot isn't doing what they're programming it to do. So it's a really great opportunity, and they learn a lot. The best part about it is when we have open house, when the parents come and they see what their students have been doing all of this time, it's just truly amazing. The parents are just shocked that their child can actually do this. And I think the kids are really excited because not only do they show their parents what they've done, they have to explain to them. They have their presentation boards and just working together as a team. And that's the part that brings me a lot of joy. It's just the kids. According to statistics, students lose a lot of their learning over the summer. And this is an opportunity for them to not to lose that learning. They can come in, they can do the robotics camp, and with the things that they've learned at camp, they can just kind of take it on home. And some of the kids actually have robots that they can continue to program with, when they're at home, and they have other types of technology that they can work with. But I think it's really important to give the kids an opportunity to do something different. A STEM camp, this is something totally different. As you know, 21st century learning, it's all about computers. It's all about the STEM program, the STEM field. And so our kids are getting that. And so I just think that it's an opportunity for the kids to learn more and to be able to apply what they're learning and to be able to solve real life problems. I mean, we have students who come from all over the area just to be at our camp. I mean, we have kids who have come as far as Spring Branch, and I'm talking every day. Parents are dropping them off at 7:45, 8 o'clock in the morning to come and participate in this camp. So it's just amazing to me to watch the kids develop and blossom. And a lot of the kids, if they're Stafford students, they go from 1st grade all the way up. They kind of matriculate through the system, and they just enjoy it. And a lot of our kids, after they graduate from high school, they go on into the STEM fields. You can go to our website at www.staffordmsd.org, and you can look for summer enrichment. And if you just kind of scroll down on the left-hand side, you'll see robotics camp. You're able to click on the link, fill out the application, but it's open to all students from grades 1 through 8.